Kyle is hooked up to something really big. Oh, he's struggling, guys. And Kyle doesn't struggle when he pulls fish in, so it's a good one. Whoa! Look at that thing! Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to Casey Kayak Fishing. We are on our last and final day out here in beautiful Ucluelet, BC on Vancouver Island. We are just feeling so grateful that we had all the time out here that we've had. And today is a little bit more mellow. There is a bit of wind, but it's supposed to die down. We're going to be targeting mainly salmon, but probably we'll try for some bottom fish, some big old ling. Just can't wait to see what today brings. And hopefully we go out with a big hurrah.
Okay guys, I think it's time to switch to lingcod and rockfish. It's 3 o'clock. We did 2 really decent passes. The salmon aren't cooperating. You saw when we first came out, there were boats everywhere. Boats and boats and boats. There's like 5 or 6 of them all stacked up in that little bay. We thought, oh, maybe they're catching fish. But we decided to head out just in case we did end up getting a fish. We don't like being in a group of boats. But as you can see, the boats have kind of dispersed. Always pay attention to what's going on around you when you're out here. Now an argument could be made that all those guys got their limits. There's lots of fish there. That may be true, but as you can see, they're all still trolling. Makes me think they didn't get their limits and the fish aren't there right now. I'm not seeing a lot of bait on the fish finders anyways. So I think we might switch to ling and rockfish. Just because it's our last day. We really need to get some more fish before we go home. So the same thing as before. West Coast Fishing Tackle swim bait. This is a 10 ounce in herring aid pattern. West Coast Fishing Tackle Pacific Jigging Series rod, and this is their medium heavy, medium fast one, 6'6" in length. And we also got the light action jigging rods. I think if we find some bait while we're trolling or drifting around for lingcod and rockfish, we might try and jig for some salmon. That way we're covering the most area possible.
Oh, I think I got a fish on, babe. Babe, fish on. Oh, fish on. Oh yeah. Come on, 40 pounder. Oh, it's a good fish. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, that's a nice ling. Or is it a cabbie? Whoa, big cabbie. Oh yeah. I can't get him in the boat. Oh, holy mother.
That's a proper cabbie.
Okay. Whew. He's like stuck in my pedal, but okay. Oh. I figured I'm like, he's pulling, but he wasn't really head shaking like a ling. Not till he got to the top. Oh. that is. Think? I was hoping it was a ling, but at least I caught something. They're pretty tasty, so I'll take it.
Fish on. China. Shh, 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 shh. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. We're only in 60 feet of water. Okay, buddy. How deep are we? 70? Usually when we come across these guys, we try and avoid the area. Just because they are such a fragile fish and it eats up a lot of time having to send them back down, but we'll do the right thing. Okay, see you later. Back down to 50 feet. There we go, guys. Get yourselves a sequelizer. It's so easy. That took what, 2 minutes? We'll leave this out here though, just in case we get any more. At least Crystal got a fish. We're not relying on me to catch dinner. Oh! I didn't even notice that it wasn't stinking. I know. I wasn't watching it. Hit it on the fall. So my bail was open. I could see the line wrapped all around it too, and then it shook the hook. Son of a bitch. I almost had it. I almost had the line caught up, but he took out a lot. You know the only reason I saw that thing? The only reason I saw it is because the salmon like flashed beside me. I don't know if it's a salmon. Black rockfish. Okay, I'll let you go here in a second. Chill.
Something followed mine all the way to the top.
Black rockfish, maybe. They tend to school. Trying to remember where I was for that salmon. That's insane. Like I saw it and the line was wrapped all around it because he bit it. He was hooked good, and I just couldn't get the slack out in time. That would have been my first salmon on the jig.
These ones are easy to get at
I think I have a fish on. Yeah. Probably. It's pulling decent. And there's this stupid boat coming right at me. Maybe it's it's a black rockfish. You guys are getting annoying. Black rockfish. Yeah. What? School of what? Rockfish? Okay. I'm getting mad at the black rockfish now.
That's a fish. That is a fish. Oh! Oh! That's a big fish. That is a big fish. That's a ling. I think so. Not on a swim bait. Yeah. No. This is heavy, guys. I'm at my leader. Oh my God, babe. A dinosaur ling. Oh, it's close. Yeah. Oh. Oh. That is a big ling. On a West Coast fishing tackle swim bait. Oh, that's a hog, babe.
Oh, I don't know if it's a 40 pounder, but
No. Maybe 20.
he's big.
Oh yeah. That is a big fish, babe. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna try out my new bat. Oh, that hurt. I don't know how long he is, but he is fat.
He's probably close to the one you caught at.
Yeah, he'll be close.
That's a big ling.
Look at that thing, you guys. Just about flipped me when I gaffed him.
I had a fish, I think. Or do I have a fish? I do. I think it's just a small one.
Oh, he's longer than the bump board.
Is he?
So that's over 36 inches.
Wow! That's incredible, babe. Good job. That's awesome. I think I just got another stupid. Really? That's craziness. Aw, go away, you look what I got. Look what I got.
Copper?
I got. Look at this little.
Put that swim bait on, babe.
Look at this little baby.
Put the swim bait on.
Kyle gets like a 50 pounder and I get this little puny thing. Get out of here. What are you doing? Huh? No, you told me not to worry about it. Okay, well, just let me get rid of this silly old little china.
Alrighty guys, we're gonna make the switch to salmon again. Troll our way in. Oh yeah, I see him. Here they come, babe. There it is. I think he's off the clip. Fish on, guys. A little coho would be nice. I don't know if he's swimming with me. I'm gonna try and turn away from you a bit. Maybe it's a black rockfish. There's the leader. There's my flasher. It's a fish. I think it's a coho. Stop, stop, stop. There we go, guys. Coho in the books. Whoa! No, 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 no. Settle it down, settle down. Stop, 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 stop it, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Guys, there's a gorgeous little coho salmon. Gorgeous. And the minimum size limit on them is 11 inches. A hatchery. No, you can. They're jumping all over there too. Behind you. Alrighty, that is a wrap on Ucluelet fishing trip 2023. We had some epic times, some epic fish. Today was a little bit on the slower side. We got, actually Crystal got a monster cabezon. I ended up with a great Lingcod. I'm not sure if it's the biggest, probably the heaviest that I've ever caught. And a nice little coho salmon that was actually in an area that we were able to keep it. For once. It was worth the trip. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys to all the subscribers, everyone who's liking and commenting on the video. All the videos, it means the world to us. Want to give a huge shout out to all of our sponsors, companies that are supporting the channel. West Coast Fishing Tackle, Backcountry Skinz, Kayak Gear, Pacific Yak Angler, Clear Your Gear. Thank you guys so much. all the gear that you guys have provided for us and sharing our Instagram reels and photos and also sharing the YouTube channel. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you guys like what you see, do us a favor, go down below, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single one of our videos. Follow us on Instagram at KC Kayak Fishing and Facebook as well at KC Kayak Fishing. That's a wrap on Ukee 2023, but the takeover has just begun. Thank you guys so much. We'll catch you later.